You will regret why I was ever born. You're childish.
So I finally got access to Seedance 2.0 and I have to say that this thing is just insane. And now we can confidently say that the AI can replace the traditional filmmaking because this thing supports the video references and it has the capability of generating the continuous shots and everything from character consistency, motion control, everything is just on point. So in this video, I'm gonna give you a live demo what this model is actually capable of. So I'm very excited, let's dive in. Now you might be thinking, how did you get access to this model? Well, I'm using this on the Seedance AI website and the team behind Seedance AI managed to give me the access of this AI tool. And right now this is going to be the only video on the internet with the live demo. So as you can see, the interface support up to 6 images and also 6 video references. And right now this supports 15 seconds long video. So starting off with this simple image, so here is our first output. Let's watch this video. This is crazy. Even we just mentioned a very simple prompt, a samurai fighting scene. It has multi-angle shots and every angle feels like a very cinematic Hollywood level movie. Even though the other character wasn't even visible in this video, but still by managing with a simple prompt and a simple input image, it managed to get this level of results. So again, we're gonna use this single image, but this time we have a very detailed prompt and here is the output. So it followed the prompt very accurately. We have a very detailed prompt. Actually, the woman noticed that something happened to the pilot, plane starts shaking. We have handheld camera motion and then we have the cockpit view from the outside of the plane. And this is insane, man. Now you might be thinking why I'm talking too low, because right now this is 2:40 AM at night and everybody's sleeping and I was just curious to test this model. Well, here you can see it says that it doesn't support the real faces, but it also mentions that this is optional. So sometimes the real faces works, but sometimes the AI doesn't generate it. So I don't know if this is the restriction from the Seedance or this might be a glitch from them. I'm not sure. Now let's try multi-image references. So I'm using this close-up of the F1 driver, then F1 car. And in the prompt section, this is going to be a detailed prompt. And look at this, man. This is pure Hollywood. This shot looks like straight out of the Need for Speed movie, and especially that slow motion on the end of this video. That looks very impressive. Like the AI knows where to add the slow motion, where to add the intensity. So this is just on another level. Now let's try some intense fighting scenes. We have Sub-Zero and Scorpion, and I'm also adding some dialogues to the prompt. And here is the output.
You will regret why I was ever born. You're childish.
As you can see, this is also really good with the fighting scenes. Not just the audio is matching perfectly with the action, but also the hand movements. There is no morphing, the physics of the hand, everything is matching with the scene. Now you're not just limited to the 15 seconds, you can also continue the scene. So for example, I have this scene over here where the magical wizard is fighting with the warrior. They have very intense kind of fight over here. Now to extend this scene, what I'm gonna do, I will upload this video as a reference and then I will ask it to continue this scene, and then you can also add the description what you want in this video, and here is the output. Here's another sequence of that same scene. The characters are consistent, even the video style is consistent. So in this way you can extend your videos and create long form AI movies, and literally there's just no limit. You can just upload your most recent results and it will continue from that video. So it's kind of a never ending loop. Another thing, you can replace the characters from any existing video. So for example, I'm uploading this video. Well, this is a very famous scene, and then I'm gonna upload the images of my own characters, and I'm gonna simply type replace the two characters in the video 1 with fighting image 1 and image 2. So by typing the @ you can mention the images and the videos and then hit generate. And now both of these characters has been swapped with our own uploaded characters, and this is not copying the original video, this is just getting the inspiration from it, and the overall scene looks good to go. But sometimes this feature will give you error only because of the realistic characters, but if you use the cartoon animation or the anime character, you are good to go. And then I tried a influencer, even though this is a realistic image, but surprisingly it worked.
Hi guys, it's a get ready with me. I have a coffee date in an hour and it's freezing cold outside. It's like 4 degrees. So he's going to be wearing a coat and I'm going to be wearing a dress. I'm just doing my makeup now. I'm not even done with my base yet.
Just look at that. This thing will open a lot of opportunities for us because this is so realistic. And if you want to extend this video, again you can input this video as a reference and you can extend this video. Then I thought, why not to generate the 3D animations? So I just gave it a simple prompt, 3D animation of a nuclear attack at Hiroshima city in the morning, and all of different details that you want to add. So this was the simple image and this was the output. Well, we have very static shots in this one, not very multi-angle shots, but we have to define this thing with the prompt, but still it worked out really well. And then I extended it further and generated a second part of it. And this animation was even cool, where I mentioned what will happen to a human body if somebody drinks too much wine, and it explained it very well. And just imagine that you can generate this level of animation by just a simple line of prompt. This is crazy, man. So these are some of the use cases that I managed to explore in few hours. And in my opinion, this model is a king of AI video generation. So in the comment section, just let me know what you guys think about this model. So that was it from today. See you in the next one.